Hello students, we will see more examples to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Our example, find 5 rational numbers between -3/2 and 5/3. The LCM of the denominators 2 and 3 is 6. Converting given rational number to equivalent rational numbers having common denominator 6, we get -3/2. Multiply 2 by 3. Here -3 multiplied by 3 is equal to -9/6 and 5/3. Here multiply 3 the denominator by 2 to get the denominator 6 is equal to 10/6. Clearly -8, -7, -6 up to 9 are integers between numerator -9 and 10. Thus, we have -8/6, -7/6, -6/6, -5/6 up to 8/6, 9/6. These are the rational numbers between -9/6 and 10/6. So we can take any 4 of these as required rational numbers. So these are the rational numbers between -3/2 and 5/3. Next example, find 4 rational numbers between 2/3 and 4/5. 4 rational numbers between 2/3 and 4/5. First, we convert given rational numbers to rational number with the same denominator equal to the LCM of their denominator. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So, 2/3 multiply 3 by 5 is equal to 10/15, and here in 4/5 multiply 5 by 3, so the answer is 12/15. Here the denominators are same. Between the numerator 10 and 12 of this equivalent rational number, there is only one integer, that is 11. Between 10 and 12, here is only one number, 11. So we replace this number by equivalent rational number having sufficiently large common denominator. So now we take 10/15 and 12/15, multiply this denominator by any number. Suppose multiply 15 by 4, here also multiply 15 by 4 because the denominator should be equal. So here we get 40/16, 48/60. Between 40 and 48 there are 7 integers, 41, 42, 43 up to 47. Therefore 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60 up to 47 upon 60 are the rational numbers between 40 upon 60 and 48 upon 60. We take any 4 of these rational numbers. So, if we get only one rational number between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, what will you do? So we will replace this number by equivalent rational number having a sufficient larger number. Instead of 15, now we get 60 by multiply 15 with 4. So we get larger number. There is an alternative method to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. For example, find 3 rational numbers between 1 upon 4. Find 3 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 by mean method. This new method is called mean method. In this method, we find the mean of the given rational numbers. That is, we will find mean of 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 upon 2. This is the method to find the mean of these two rational numbers. So we get, here take LCM, 1 4 plus 1 2, because the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 2 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 upon 2 is equal to 1 plus, here the denominators are same, so 1 plus 2, 3 upon 4 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 8. Here you will have a question कि how this 8 come. So 3 is the first number, 4 is the second number, 2 is the third number, and here 1 is the fourth number. So what will we do? Multiply 3 by 1 and multiply 4 by 2. So you get 3 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 upon 8. Here first, second, third, and here 1 is the fourth. So 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 2, 2. So we get the mean of 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 is 3/8. Now we can write this mean by 1/4, 3/8, 1/2. Means 3/8 is the mean of 1/4 and 1/2. We now find another rational number between 1/4 and 3/8. For this, we again find the mean of 1/4 and 3/8. So do the same process as we have done above. 1/4 plus 3/8 upon 2. Now take LCM of 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 3, 8 upon 2 is equal to 2/8 plus 3/8 upon 2. Here the denominators are same. So 2 plus 3, 5/8 upon 2. Once again we get the final answer 5, 8 to the 16. Now you can understand why this 5/16 come. So we can write 5/16 is the rational number between 1/4 and 3/8. So 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2. Now we find the mean of 3/8 and 1/2. First we find the mean of 1/4 and 3/8. Now we will find the mean of 3/8 and 1/2. Again do the same process. 3/8 plus 1/2 upon 2. Here the LCM is 8. So 3/8 plus 2 fours are 1 fours are upon 2 is equal to 3/8 plus 4/8 upon 2. Here the denominators are same. So the answer is 7/8 upon 2. So the final answer is 7/16. 7, 8 2s are 16. 7/1. 7 1s are 7. 8 2s are 16. First and fourth, second, third. Multiply second and third. Multiply first and fourth. So you get 7/16. So the 7/16 is the mean of 3/8 and 1/2. So we will write 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 and 1/2. First we find mean of 1/4 and 1/2, that is 3/8. Then we find mean of 1/4 and 3/8, that is 5/16. Then we find mean of 3/8 and 1/2, that is 7/16. So here is the three rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. So our answer is 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 are the rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. You can find 2 or 3 rational numbers between any two rational number by this method.